particularly on that Michelin hard rear tyre. Tyre choice, as always, pivotal in MotoGP when you get a sense that it's extra crucial here today with this low grip Barcelona surface and the excessive tyre wear. It's going to be vital. Morbidelli looks good on the hard rear tyre. And there's been some welcome boosts for the Rossi army, gathered all around the world. Valentino Rossi's had his problems this year. The Petronas RSR team, particularly in braking and corner entry. All of those, it's the game.